ATC meteorologist Bradley Benoit.
Welcome back and welcome to the weekend, starting out with the rainfall tonight. We'll get a break as we head throughout Saturday, but then rain chances ramp right back up throughout your Sunday. More on that in just a little bit, but first starting out with the satellite and radar composite. And it was another mild afternoon and breezy at times this afternoon as well, ahead of our next frontal system that now is knocking on the doorstep here across Acadiana, bringing with it scattered showers across the area. Nothing overly heavy, that's the good news, but still light to moderate activity starting to come down for northern and western portions of Acadiana. We'll say right around the Ville Platte area here and extending into Allen Parish and out to the west, starting to make its way into Jeff Davis Parish as well. We are quiet here in Lafayette and along the coastal parishes, but as the cold front continues to push eastward through the rest of the night, we will see that line of showers and maybe a few embedded thunderstorms approach. We'll say Lafayette here right around 2 a.m. Some of that lingers into the early morning time frame for your Saturday, but the bulk of that activity pushes out of here through mid-morning. We'll be left with some patchy, perhaps dense fog first thing tomorrow morning, so keep that in mind if you have to be out on the roadways. But then that front kind of loses steam here as it pushes through, so it's not really going to be knocking down our temperatures a whole lot. In fact, we'll still top out mainly in the lower 70s for your Saturday afternoon, but rain chances down. That's the good news. Still some lingering cloud cover, but if we are lucky, we may see some peaks of sunshine throughout your Saturday afternoon. First half of Sunday looks good, but we'll see clouds building through the morning time frame, turning breezy as well as our next low pressure system approaches from the west here as we head into Sunday afternoon, eventually right on top of Acadiana for Sunday evening, and that's going to give us a really good chance to see scattered showers, perhaps a few isolated thunderstorms. Again, late Sunday afternoon into your Sunday evening. That lingers into around, and we'll say the 10 p.m. hour. But then eventually for late Sunday night into early morning, we'll start to dry things out, and we're turning much colder for the start of the week. In fact, afternoon highs on Monday afternoon struggling to reach the lower 50s. Rainfall totals with the first system moving through tonight. Most of us not picking up any more than around 1/4 of an inch of rainfall, so no real issues. And then we add on the rain amounts as we head into your Sunday. We could pick up an additional 1/2 inch to an inch of rainfall with some locally higher amounts possible, especially for northern parishes of Acadiana. But again, we're not going to be dealing with a widespread flash flooding concern. So certainly that's the good news. Another issue we're going to have after the rain moves out early tomorrow morning, again, we could be looking at some patchy to dense fog, especially for western portions of Acadiana where visibilities could be less than 1/2 mile. Model here going for 0 for some parts of western Acadiana. So again, just keep that in mind if you have to be out on the roadways first thing tomorrow morning, but then eventually that fog will burn off through the rest of the morning into the lunchtime hour. So here's the next 10 days. Again, tomorrow looking pretty good. The better of the 2 days out of the weekend, and then rain chances ramping right back up as we head into your Sunday at 80%, but not necessarily going to be raining all day long. That's for late afternoon into your Sunday evening, and then we start to dry out as we head into your Monday, but turning much colder. In fact, high temperatures again struggling to top out in the lower 50s. We'll see another quick moving system Tuesday night into early Wednesday. That'll help to give us a chance to see some rainfall, but overall a relatively quiet pattern for the majority of next week with our temperatures remaining below normal.